Welcome to Grip News 2M, your source for the latest financial news and tips. Today, we'll be talking about how to invest your money wisely and make it work for you. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced investor, this video will provide you with useful insights and strategies to grow your wealth. Topic: How to invest money. Investing your money is one of the best ways to build long-term wealth and achieve your financial goals. But with so many investment options available, it can be overwhelming to know where to start. Here are some key steps to help you invest your money wisely. Set your goals. Before you start investing, it's important to define your financial goals and your risk tolerance. Are you investing for retirement, a down payment on a house, or your children's education? How much risk are you willing to take on? Answering these questions will help you determine the right investment strategy for you. Choose your investments. Once you've defined your goals and risk tolerance, it's time to choose your investments. There are several types of investments to consider, including stocks, bonds, mutual funds, exchange-traded funds, ETFs, real estate, and more. Each type of investment has its own risks and potential rewards, so it's important to do your research and diversify your portfolio to reduce risk. Create a plan. After choosing your investments, create a plan that aligns with your goals and risk tolerance. Determine how much you can afford to invest each month and how often you want to review and adjust your portfolio. Stick to your plan and avoid making impulsive decisions based on short-term market fluctuations. Monitor your investments. Monitoring your investments is crucial to ensure they continue to align with your goals and risk tolerance. Regularly review your portfolio's performance and make adjustments as needed. Keep in mind that investing is a long-term strategy, and it's important to stay patient and disciplined even during market downturns. Conclusion: investing your money can be a smart way to grow your wealth and achieve your financial goals. By setting clear goals, choosing the right investments, creating a solid plan, and monitoring your portfolio, you can make your money work for you. Remember to do your research, stay disciplined, and seek professional advice if needed. Thanks for watching Grip News 2M, and we'll see you in the next one.